Good morning. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like a caramel macchiato, please.
Excellent choice. What size would you like? We have tall, grande, or venti.
I'll have a grande, please.
Perfect. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Would you like any extra flavor shots? We have vanilla, hazelnut, or caramel.
No, thank you. Just the regular caramel macchiato.
Sounds good. Anything else? We have fresh pastries today, muffins, croissants, and cake pops.
Ooh, what flavors of muffins do you have?
We have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut.
I'll take a blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. Your total is $9.25. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay with my phone?
Absolutely. Just tap it right here on the reader.
Done. Thank you.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Emma.
Great, Emma. Your drink will be ready at the end of the counter in about 3 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Next, please. Hi there. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hello, I'd like a venti Americano, please.
Perfect. Hot or iced?
Hot, with room for milk, please.
Got it. Anything else today?
Yes, do you have any protein boxes?
We do. We have the egg and cheese protein box and the peanut butter and fruit protein box.
I'll take the egg and cheese one, please.
Excellent choice. Your total is $11.50. Do you have a Starbucks card or would you like to earn rewards?
What's the Starbucks card?
It's our rewards program. You earn stars with every purchase and you get free drinks and food. It's completely free to join.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
You can download our app or get a physical card. Every dollar you spend earns you stars. When you reach enough stars, you get free items.
How many stars for a free drink?
A free drink is 150 stars, and you get 2 stars for every dollar you spend.
That's not bad. Can I sign up now?
Of course. Do you have our app?
Yes, I downloaded it yesterday, but haven't used it yet.
Perfect. Open the app and go to Pay. You can scan the barcode there, and I'll add your purchase to your account.
Okay, let me find it. Here it is.
Great. Just hold it up to the scanner. Perfect. You just earned 23 stars. And as a welcome bonus, you get 25 extra stars.
Wonderful. Thank you for explaining that.
My pleasure. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Robert.
Thank you, Robert. Your Americano will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Next, please. Good afternoon. Welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you?
Hello. Sorry, my English is not very good.
No problem at all. I'm here to help. Take your time. What would you like?
I want coffee, but I don't understand the menu.
That's okay. Let me help you. Do you like strong coffee or sweet coffee? Sweet coffee, please. Perfect. Let me point to some options on the menu for you. See this one? It's called a frappuccino. It's very sweet, cold, and like a milkshake. Oh, yes, that looks good. Great. We have many flavors: chocolate, caramel, vanilla, or mocha. Which one sounds good? Chocolate. I like chocolate. Excellent choice. Now, the size. This is tall, it's small. This is grande, medium. And this is venti, large. Which size? Medium? Grande? Perfect. You got it. Grande chocolate frappuccino with whipped cream. Would you like whipped cream on top? Whipped cream? What is that? It's this white cream, very soft and sweet. Look at this picture here. Oh, yes, I want that. Wonderful. Would you like anything to eat? We have cookies, cake, sandwiches. Cookies, yes, please. What kind? We have chocolate chip, that's chocolate pieces in the cookie, and we have sugar cookies. Let me show you. This one, chocolate. Great choice. So, one grande chocolate frappuccino with whipped cream and one chocolate chip cookie. Your total is $9.75.
I pay with card. Is okay?
Yes, absolutely. Just insert your card here.
Perfect.
Now, what's your name? My name is Maria. Thank you, Maria. Your frappuccino will be ready in about 4 minutes. Wait right here at the end of the counter, okay? Okay, thank you. You are very kind. You're so welcome, Maria. Enjoy. And your English is great. Don't worry. Thank you. You help me a lot. Anytime. Have a wonderful day.